Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and clearing the workspace. This prevents shorts and lost parts. Remove batteries or unplug USB, then flip the controller and unscrew the 4 screws inside the battery bay. Once done, wedge a plastic spudger between seam and gently pry apart the back cover to expose the PCB. Make sure to lift straight to avoid bending tabs. You should now see the internal board, ribbon cable, and joystick modules. Keep screws in labeled containers for reassembly. You now focus on careful disconnection. Unlock ribbon connectors by flipping the latch and ease out the cable. This prevents broken clips. Using small Phillips, remove PCB mounting screws and lift the board a few millimeters to expose trigger assemblies and vibration motor plugs. Unplug them gently. For thumbsticks, grip the cap and pull straight up to avoid tearing the potentiometer. Make sure to observe spring positions and contact pads so that you can reinstall parts with correct alignment and pressure. You finish by reversing the process. Position the PCB over standoffs and finger-tighten screws to avoid cross-threading, then reconnect ribbon cables with the latch closed so contacts meet flat. Plug in motors and triggers. Once reassembled, install batteries or USB and test all buttons, sticks, triggers, and rumble. If something fails, open it again and inspect ribbon orientation, loose connectors, or bent pins. A common fix is reseating the cable or reflowing a cold solder joint carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.